The food that we eat today is very important to humans and other animals. Without it, humans and other animals would be unable to live. The way our food is produced is relevant to the audience because what farmers do to our produce can be harmful to us and other animals and wildlife. Organic farming has been around for a long time, but in recent years, scientists have discovered that the chemicals used on crops and the antibiotics used in animals can be harmful to human health, or environmental health, and other animals and wildlife. Through this speech, I plan to persuade my audience that organic farming is better for human health, environmental health, and animal and wildlife. What we put into our bodies when we eat is very important. It's one reason why farmers and consumers should transition to organic farming and organic produce. Through many years of experiments, scientists have found that organic produce is one way to improve someone's health. According to the article, yield and nutrition status of wheat plants as affected by sludge or compost, biofertilizers under newly reclaimed soil, written in 2019, using organic compost rather than the chemical fertilizers that many people use can help to not only increase the soil's health, but also increase the plant's health and the nutritional value inside the crop that is produced. The reason why this happens is because of the nitrogen that is placed into the soil. This nitrogen helps to add better nutritional value to the crops and also help the plant grow better. Through research, I also found that chemical sprays that are being used on crops and the antibiotics used in animals can cause cancer and other diseases in humans if consumed too much. One interesting fact that I found is that organic dairy milk used for infants can reduce the chance of getting eczema nearly in half. Having good health is very important. However, with good health, we also need a healthy and good environment. Along with the increasing health of humans, organic farming is also better to the environment. Due to the use of chemical sprays in recent years, we have seen a decrease in species needed for fertilizing, such species as bees, butterflies, and birds. According to the article, organic farming matters, just not in the way that you think, written in 2017, states that chemicals that conventional farmers use for spraying their crops can harm or even kill the species used for fertilization. Scientists believe that organic farming can help to increase the number of bees, also increase the number of butterflies and birds in the world. However, along with chemical harming species in the environment, chemicals can also harm the water that we drink and the water that animals drink. According to the article, Impact of Land Uses on Water Quality in Malaysia, written in 2019, states that with the help of wind, the chemical sprays that conventional farmers use can travel to rivers, lakes, streams, and even into drinking water that humans use. The chemicals that are in that water can cause humans and other animals to get sick, not feel good, possibly cause cancer and diseases. As human health benefits and the environment starts to benefit from organic farming, so does the animals and the wildlife in the world today. Not only does organic farming help to make humans and the environment safer and healthier, it can also help animals and wildlife in the world. According to the article, temporal trends in arthropod abundance after the transition to organic farming and paddy fields, written in 2018, states that in a rice paddy field that was conventional and then later on transitioned to organic farming, saw an increased amount of species in the soil, such as, most importantly, earthworms that help to make air sacs for air and nitrogen to travel underneath into the root systems of the crops. However, this is very important for the idea of the food web, for more birds will be able to come get more food because the earthworms, more insects, more birds, vice versa. Many other animals benefit from the transition to organic farming. One species in general were birds. According to the article, organic animal farms increase farmland bird abundance in boreal regions, written in 2019, states that because of the use of antibiotics in the animals, when the animals are outside grazing on grass, their feces can have that diseases or other bacteria in there that birds can get sick from. Because of this, you see a loss in bird species and other wildlife species. However, with the organic animals, the compost helps to regulate the grazed land and also to help increase the species of birds, since birds are not getting infected by bacteria and other diseases. Along with this, since the grass is being grazed and then feces is helping it grow back quicker and faster, many farmers are seeing more population of deer and other animals on their farmlands as well. Thanks to organic farming, our soils stay healthier and help to add more species diversity around our farms and our farmland. In the end, organic farming increases human health, environmental health, and is better for animals and wildlife around the farms and around us in the community. I hope through this speech I persuaded my audience to take a stand and start to convert to organic farming and to start consuming organic produce. Being able to live a healthy life is everyone's goal. Why not take the first step to becoming healthier and start to save the environment and the wildlife in the world?